Hello and welcome to my channel Simple Bites. Want to eat pizza but don't want to order it? Don't worry, today we are making homemade pizza. For this you have to knead the dough first. Link in the description, please check the dough recipe. First take a pan in which you have to add some boneless chicken. You can defrost the chicken but I am in a bit hurry so I don't defrost it. Add some oil for cooking. Add some oil for the cooking. The quantity depends on your chicken. Add some spices according to your flavor of your pizza. I am making live pizza, so I am adding the black pepper, salt, vinegar, chili sauce, soya sauce, and some yogurt. Yogurt is necessary for making live flavor pizza. You can add ginger powder too to remove the smell of chicken. After that, cover the mixture and cook it until the chicken is done. For pizza topping, you have to cut the veggies. Veggies according to your wishes. I am preferring capsicum and onion, so I am cutting the capsicum and onion for topping. Please cut the capsicum and onion in cube shapes so that it looks good on your pizza. It will be more presentable. So we are talking about the topping. So let's make the topping sauce. For this I had take a bowl in which I add a mayonnaise, a cream, ketchup, chili flakes, and vinegar and chili sauce. It will make a good presentable sauce. Please give it a good mix and the sauce is ready. I am also making white sauce for this pizza. Sorry, I have cut the first part, I don't record it, but I will tell you the recipe. First take a bowl in which you add some butter. Please melt it and then add 2 tablespoons of maida. Roast the maida, then add 1 cup of milk. Cook it until it thicks and then add some cream, oregano and black pepper and some salt to give it a good taste. When the sauce is become thick, your sauce is ready. It's too easy and it's too delicious. Please try it. So now when all things are done, the topping sauce, the white sauce and the chicken, let's take up our dough and knead it. For this you have to take some pizza plate in which you have to cook pizza. Please grease it with oil, a lot of oil, so that your dough will not stick to it. Then put some your dough on it and knead it with your fingers. You can as long as you want. If you want to thick it or thin it, it's all on your choice. Please do it as I am doing it. Once your dough is fully kneaded, take a fork and make some small pores inside your dough and then apply the sauce. In other words, I will say now we are assembling our pizza. First I am applying some white sauce. Apply it on all sides. Then put cheese on it, like you will wash this. I am putting a lot of cheese on it. Then I add the chicken. Then I add the veggies in which I add capsicum, onion and a lot of cheese in it. A lot of cheese will make your pizza very delicious. Now all the pizza is assembled. Now I'm adding the chili flakes on the top of it to give it the good flavor, spice flavor. Look how good it looks. The chili flakes will add more flavor in it. Then place it in preheated oven at 180 temperature for at least 35 minutes or until the cheese is done. Look, the pizza is ready and it looks very delicious. You will serve it with added topping sauce in it and you will enjoyed a lot. Please share in your comments that how it will looks to you, or will you give it a try or not. Looks how yummy it looks. If you like my channel or if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.